Hi, Falcons. Today is going to be a test day. You're going to be reading a passage called Little Red, and it's still focusing on theme and vocabulary. And you're going to read the passage, and here it is. And it's about a page and a half, and you're going to read the passage, and then you're going to answer 5 questions and a writing prompt. Okay, so you're going to read the passage, and then when you click on the next slide, it will actually take you to this Google form. And based upon the passage, and you can just go back and forth between those screens as you navigate. See how I'm doing this? I kind of go back and forth between, I can toggle back and forth between the passage and the questions, and I can answer the questions. All right. So there are 8 questions, and you can just select the answer that you believe is correct. And then to wrap that up, there's a writing prompt asking about the central theme in the passage Little Red. And then it is requiring you to use 2 examples from the text to support your answer. Once you're finished with this and you've checked all of your work, I want you to go ahead and submit this for me to grade.